Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up at frenchiestamps.com in the US. Today it's the February Christmas around the year, put it that way. Each month I'm bringing you a Christmas card that was brought up. Many people panic at the last minute. They're not done with their Christmas cards. So sharing a Christmas card every month, maybe it's going to encourage people to do a little bit every month. And then when Christmas arrive, or I should say the holidays, then you're not stressed of doing your Christmas card. This month I am using the Celebrate Sunflower. I wanted to say snowflake. Sunflower. Last month it was the one with the circle celebration here that I absolutely love this. So let's share this. I already done the sunflower, but we're going to crank it up a notch here. Over here it's all stamped on shimmer cardstock. I stamp with Memento ink. Oh my gosh, I don't have my words to do today. Memento ink, and then I color with the blends. I use cherry cobbler and real red. And after I was done coloring, I re-stamped. So I set that on the stamp apparatus, and then I die cut with the matching die. And if you see, instead of the white it's gray, I just used the smoky slate in the blending to put that. I don't want it that bright white there. The designer series paper that I'm using in the back of this, it's in good taste. So both of them, it's in good taste. This one, you see, it's not done. I'm going to share with you how we're going to finish that. So we're going to take the one that it's already colored. The center is Daffodil Delight, by the way. We're going to use Versamark. Now I'm going to use something that you're going to be shocked, because I'm not a fan of a glitter, and we're going to use glitter. We do not sell glitter anymore, but I'm sure that many of you still have glitter, or you can buy glitter at many box store. I want to share how to use the glitter with the heat and stick powder that they brought this bag, and I absolutely love heat and stick. They brought that bag for the gilded leafing, but I love it with the glitter. If somebody gonna ask me, is that got a smell? Yes, it does. The minute you open it up, it got a very strange smell. For some reason, that was a popular question. It does have a smell. Okay, now we're gonna take, I need a scrappy paper here. And what I'm gonna do is, well, maybe I can do, my Versamark, it's felty white. I don't know what I did with it, to be honest. So I'm just tapping this all over my Versamark here. I want to make sure that it's all over, and to make sure, I think I'm going to tap right on it here. You want to cover it completely with your Versamark. Now you're going to take this, I'm going to put that in a tray, and we're going to take the Eaton stick. Here we go. And we're going to cover that with the Eaton stick. What happened with the Eaton stick, it's when we're going to use the heat tool with this, it's going to melt, and it's making a glue. Okay, that's what it does. So now I got tweezer here, and I'm just going to use a little corner right here, and then we're going to put that there. We're going to melt that. And this is going to get very sticky. That's why it's called Eat and Stick. And you see it's melting very quick. So when it melts, it's a glue. I want to make sure it's all melted. Now I'm going to open, I still have a thing of glitter here. And I'm going to tap that in. Many of you are going to be shocked, because many of you follow me for a while and you know I'm not the glitter person. But this is a way that I love to add the glitter. See how pretty this is going to be? Okay, one thing that I like to do, you don't have to do the next step, but I personally like to do it. It's to set it again so all the little crystal of the glitter gonna get stuck in the glue. So I just want to pour just a little bit there. And see, some of the glitter are going flying around. That's the one that was not stuck in the glue. This is going to melt the glue again, and it's going to really cover that flower. Et voila. Don't you think that looks very, very Christmassy? Look at that. See? Now, I was not planning to put the die cut on top, so I don't have it. I will die cut this in black and put it on top. I think it's going to be even nicer. Or maybe I'm going to do it in red. Not sure. But you get the jig, how that's going to look. And all those little pieces are from this Celebration Sunflower. And I'm just going to add that in the back there. When I cut the outline of the sunflower, I put my piece of the gold, the foil gold, I put that on an adhesive sheet so it's easier to glue. I will do the same for this one. I'm going to add the finished card right below you get the direct link. So you can come there and you're going to see now before. And then I'm going to take a picture also before. And then after I put the topper. Now for this one here, I embossed the bottom with white. I didn't want gold because I thought it was plenty of gold. But the white I thought was a little bit too much getting my attention, that I wanted to focus on the flower. So I decided to use the soft suede, the light soft suede. I'm using the brush. And I just went over my emboss. This is white emboss. I just went over that. So it gives me more, almost like a cream embossing, the color. That is it. So that's how I done it. Maybe you would like gold. I didn't want gold there. I thought it was plenty of gold. I wanted to focus, the center focus. But then white was too much. So that's what I done with this. So this is it, my friend. I hope you enjoyed this. So just visit my blog right below. I'm going to have the link of the other Christmas. And every month I'm going to keep on adding till we hit December. So we're going to have plenty of choice. And not only that, if you do maybe a dozen every month or 10, depends how many you need. When come the holidays, you are ready. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye-bye for now.